So the S&P 500 index pushed up higher as we were looking at key resistance levels in our last video, and it continues to break out and test new highs. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. We broke this down in our last video, and we called it the stock market. Did it just trick everyone? And why the S&P 500 is going higher. I broke it all down in our last video, what we were looking for, and how we had hit wire forward borders in larger time frames. We're still under bull indicators. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 8:30 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 180% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and join the members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down within the volatility, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join us and become a member and part of the community. So the SPY here has broken now back out towards that resistance of 628, and even where things started to drop on Friday at 631. Now, a lot of this is driven by the fact that there was earnings that brought things down on Thursday and Friday. It found support, and now a lot of these stocks are trying to come back up, and the overall markets had that breath and that push, and that's what we were looking for, a support, because historically there was a key level down here at 620 and even below that at 618 if we broke down lower, and we found support slightly above 618 at the 620 level, and here we are breaking out. Now, the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and it was from our QQQ bot. It sent out a bull indicator as well at 8:30 a.m., never getting canceled throughout the whole day's volatility, pushing up from 557 all the way up towards the 562 to 564 area, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition from what I call the dip area of wire forward borders to bright green bars in today's volatility from Friday to today. And it's not just on the 15-minute, we're seeing it on the 30-minute full transition, and then also here on the 1 hour, hitting a full transition into the second half of bright green bars of extreme strength, from extreme weakness to extreme strength. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY back under a bull indicator on the 1 hour, canceling that bear indicator from 638 and a full transition again on 42 vision. The 2 hour is back under a bull indicator as well. We wanted these to align so that it could align with the 4 hour, guys. The 4 hour had gotten a bear indicator for the first time, and now it's trying to push back up. And the quicker it goes to retest these resistance levels, and this bear indicator at 636 gets canceled, we can retest the all-time highs and probably even break out higher than that, right? Because when you go all the way out towards the 1 day, we did get for the first time a bear indicator since our reversal down here back in April from the 524 level. Now we're coming back up to retest these all-time highs pretty quickly, and if this could get canceled, well, then that can change things around, or we could end up in something choppy like this, right? Sideways action before bulls or bears actually start to take over. And the key support level right now is down here near 618, 620. And to the upside, The resistance is 640, 641. So we do not want to ignore that here in the bigger picture, but the 4-hour is trying to come back up. And then you have here the 2-hour going ahead and getting a bull indicator, the 30-minute as well. And it will be important for inflows to justify this. And when we pull them up, we could see on the 30-minute, it was red there, but above the midpoint, they finally crossed. That's what we were looking for. We were looking for this crossover here on the chart on the 30-minute. And when we go to the 1-hour, we were looking for that as well. And we've pushed up now to inflows of 6.04. This is some of the highest inflows that we've seen since way back here at 4.6 and even 5.36. Some of the highest in the last several days and weeks when the market kept on pushing up and ranging from 629 in one single day to 634, and then also going ahead and continuing to push up to retest those all-time highs. So we now have multiple bull indicators popping up on lower time frames. We need the larger ones to go ahead and get that to align even further, but we have inflows back above all the way up towards the 2-hour crossing over here. It's going to be crucial for this to stay above. Even if it flans out, as long as it doesn't go below the midpoint and that bull indicator starts to go ahead and pop up here on the 2-hour, things can start to compound pretty quickly. And we haven't even completed a full transition, right? We've hit red with green borders, and the next piece missing is dark green and bright green bars to continue that momentum and strength. And even here on the 2-hour, the possibility of a bull indicator canceling the bear indicator from up here at around 638, guys. So the first thing is support. It's going to be crucial to stay above 625. If that gets broken through 620, 618 is crucial to the downside. And how far do these outflows go? And to the upside, we want to get above 632, head towards 635 and 638, and maintain these inflows above the midpoint and get those bull indicators compounding on multiple time frames. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you think this bullishness can continue and we're going to retest all-time highs and hit new all-time highs? Or will we actually stagnate and sit sideways here before breaking officially those supports that are crucial historically and what's looking like a strong support so far, where inflows picked up at 620 and 618. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.